United States Department of Agriculture logo. Peach and yogurt smoothies. Recipe for children ages 6 through 18. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 10 minutes to prep, and there is no cooking required. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. The recipe ingredients are shown on a cutting board. Combine 11 1/4 cups of unsweetened peaches and 3 cups of low-fat vanilla yogurt into a blender. Put the lid on the blender. Turn the blender on and blend until the consistency is smooth. Serve 1 1/4 cup. The CACFP crediting for peach and yogurt smoothies for children ages 6 through 18 is as follows. The serving size is 1 1/4 cup. It provides 3/4 of a cup of fruit and 1 ounce equivalent meat alternate. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/TN/team-nutrition-recipes.